It's Sunday, front row card show. It's 3:24 p.m. So basically we got like 90 minutes. I don't know why I like showing up late to every show. Not the biggest show, but it definitely packs a punch. Are you firm on Latias? Last comp I think it was like 11 or 12.
Probably, I can't do 85 an hour stuff.
Let me see Latias. How long, when did you get this? A while ago or recently?
Yesterday.
What are you in it for? 900? 1K?
I'm not trying to like sell it at a percentage.
You want to get 13? You're firm at 13?
I don't mind, that's one of my favorite cards, so.
I know, me too. The last sold is 1,070 and 1,200.
Yeah.
Would you take, if I took the Lily, the Umbreon Darkrai, Umbreon GX, and the Shiny Zard with the Latias, would you do 2,000?
So.
Market was 1,200 on these.
Okay.
Market was 1,200.
All right.
I'm saying I'll do 2K for all these. Or what do you want to be at?
Yeah.
If I took that in, what would you want to be at?
I don't think it's gonna make sense for you. Because I'm probably gonna trade for this. I'm trying to leverage it to get
Got it.
higher rails.
So here at market, I'm at 1,200. At 85% is basically 1,000. I'm basically offering you a K on this.
Yeah. That would make sense for me. Yeah, because I can move this for, I can trade for more. Like if I
Get like 1,200, 1,300 trade at 80%.
Yeah, so let's do, and I like doing flips, so let's do 1,000 and 1050.
Throw in the two shiny Leafeons and the Sylveon. And I'll do 1,100 or 1,150.
So we got plus 80 plus 66, 36. What was it?
These two plus that, and then I'll flip you 1,100 or 1,150.
1150. So that's 85 to 1153 on that. So I would do like 11 and 12.
Okay, let's do that.
Yeah.
Let's run it. All right, first deal of the day. Shiny Charizard, Champion's Path, 2 Lilies, Umbreon Darkrai, Umbreon GX, 2 Leafeons, and a Sylveon. Market is going to be around 1350. We're going to flip 11 or 12.
All right, let's
You
go.
want to throw? I call? Right here? You want me to throw? Or do you want to throw? Your call.
I'll call it.
You call it? Ready? 11 or 1,200.
Tails,
With
tails,
Poké.
let's go.
You're going tails?
I always go heads.
You going tails?
I want tails.
It is tails.
2 for 2 for Arvin.
Appreciate you. You beat me again.
Yeah.
I've actually never purchased the Greninja.
Would you like, should I?
I don't know, is it, people like it?
I had 6 today. I'm down to 4.
This is only yours, right here? Let me check,
You're doing all of them or just a couple?
probably. Well, let me check the Greninja, because I have no idea what this thing goes for. I just know it's very hyped.
Came down a lot.
It's like, what, 500, 550?
550.
I heard the 40 come out. Trying to print on me for $10. I see you, sir. There's 490 and 470 comps too, though.
Oh boy, we're at the 630 sale.
We're not gonna talk about that, but don't worry. Umbreon. I want that one.
My best on that's gonna be 1150.
Bro, what?
Yeah.
Isn't there like sales at 12?
Yeah. It's better trade. I can just trade it.
I didn't bring anything to trade.
I know, so it's okay.
I'm an idiot. That's okay.
Just take the bubble moves. Actually, I don't have.
This is kind of cool.
That sank, so I don't kind of know why.
Huh?
That sank. It dropped.
What's it, like 300 right now?
Yeah.
I could print on you on that one.
I
Then.
know. Don't.
Don't. Wait. 1220, 1360, 1450? What the hell? And then there's 11 and 12 sales.
1150 looking good, huh?
Nah. There's a buy now at 1245. What about Latias?
21.
21. Can you do some for me? That's crazy. That's like market.
Last was 24 and 2350. They're 23.
And then right before that's 21 and 18 and 2K.
Yeah, but we're not paying attention. Just take the bubble views. Take the bubble views and let's go.
Okay, let me take the Greninjas. I might want the Greninjas low key. So you basically want 1,700 for these? You want 1,720. I'm saying
1,700 for you.
I said 1,650, right?
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. I literally said 1,650. I literally did. Bro, I literally said watch. I said 1,050. Hold on. And you're like freaking out over 50 bucks? See? Hold on, look. I said 1,050 on the Greninjas.
You said at 80%.
No, but look at the number that came out to. That's basically close to that. 1,050, and then I said plus 750 for these three. That's 1,800. At 80%, wait.
Also, I said. Okay. Anyways.
Wait. So you want 95%?
Yeah. I told you I don't have anything for you. You should have came yesterday.
Okay, how about you just flip me?
What do you want to flip? I tell you what, I'll do this. Let's do this. Let's do one flip, one bubble view.
I need more.
100 or 300.
No, I can't.
That's in your favor.
16 or 17? Bro, that's fair.
I know it's fair.
That's
but
very fair.
It's very fair.
I just need those cards. That's middle point of 1650 at,
Hang on.
dude, I'm not even gonna say the percent, but just shake my hands. That's the middle point. Ash. That's the middle point. Take it.
What did you offer?
16 or 17 flip. Take it. Shake my hand. And don't tell anybody that's happening. It's gonna stay between us. You're like, wait, is Arvin crazy? I'm just doing this because I have an hour and 15 minutes left.
What are we doing after?
What? What are you doing the math for, bro?
We're far.
How? You just said you want 17. I'm doing 16 or 17 flip. How is that?
17 is my bottom.
How?
Bro, okay. What are you asking for this one? I sell these like hotcakes, so that's the only problem.
Okay, take one Greninja out. Are you happy?
290.
I'm happier.
I want the meals.
Bro, I sell these for $260 all day.
Hold on.
$20 off. So $240, $480, $720 is my best for these three. Yes or no?
720.
It's my best for them because I sell them.
And with that,
just $720. Yes or no? That's my best. I can't.
700. 700.
No, I can't.
Why not?
I can't. I sell them at $260 all day.
And you want to be at what? 480 on this?
Huh? You said
and
290?
$500 on it.
480.
You're at, I'd say 275
$500.
on average.
Okay, with this, just flip me 16, 50, 17. Happy?
Just shake this out. Just you. Well, you said 480 on that? No, I can't do it.
No, listen. No.
16.
You wanted 17, right? I said 1650 or 17.
1650 or 1750.
No, 1650, 1750. No, 17. No. We're gonna edit that shit out. 1650, 17.
All right, let's do 1650, 1720.
Sure. All right.
Oh,
yeah.
that's it?
Yeah.
That was.
I'm just wasting too much time right now, so I gotta just agree to some shit. All right, we're flipping 1650, 1720. 2 Greninjas and 3 Bubble Mews. You have a coin? Oh, and I got to keep the coin after this, so I can use it. Because I didn't come with
I
a.
call.
I already lost that. What are you calling?
You already know.
That was heads, by the way. Ready?
Yeah.
Are you going heads?
Bro.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Tails never fails.
Goated, fools! 1650, baby. Thank you, sir. That's what you call printing, ladies and gentlemen. See some decent stuff here. Cards I'm interested in are, I'd say, the Gardevoir, Moltres, Glaceon, Tyranitar, Arceus Dialga Palkia, Charizard V, and Gengar VMAX. Are they your cards? Or
Yeah, they're my brothers.
they're your brothers?
I want to see if these down a good percent on it.
You want me to pick out the cards I want, and then you can just send them a picture, and then if you want to accept the offer. Let me think. I'm at 490 market here, plus 245, plus 250, plus 270. So we're at like 1255 market there. I think this might be a little bit over, like 15, 20 bucks. So I'd say 580 is fair. If I wait, say at 585. 585, we're at 1840. 85% of market / your sticker price is 1564. 85% is 1560. You want to flip 15 or 16?
You just check on the.
Sure. There's like a 7-something sale, but like you can buy it now for 570, 580 right now.
Yeah, 780 sale on it.
Yeah, that one's like crazy.
There's another one for 640.
Market's between 550 to 600 for that card. Last sold's 178.
It's tricky because they're, yeah.
There's a 178, there's a 300, and there's a 140 sale.
Yeah.
So it's like between 180 to 200, I'd say market value. So 85% is like 1560 on those cards. So I pass on this one.
Pass on that.
Yeah.
1,600 or 1,500?
Yeah. I have a coin if you want. You can throw or I can throw, whatever you want. I can do PayPal.
1,500, 1,600? Yeah.
Cool. All right. Woo! Glaceon, Tyranitar, Charizard, Moltres, Gengar, and Mega Gardevoir. Market's around 2K. We're flipping 15 or 16. You want to throw, or do you want me to throw?
You can throw off.
You want me to throw? You call. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Heads.
He said heads. It is tails, baby. Got it, boss. I appreciate it.